Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Call of Duty Vanguard on your PS4. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 console is properly connected to both power and your television. Next, establish an internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, for updates and online play. Finally, log into your existing PlayStation Network account or create a new one to access the PlayStation Store and game features. Once your PS4 is ready, it's time to install Call of Duty Vanguard. If you have a physical copy, simply insert the game disc into your console's disk drive. For digital purchases, navigate to the PlayStation Store, find Call of Duty Vanguard, and select Download. The installation process will begin automatically, preparing the game for launch. After installation, Call of Duty Vanguard will likely require updates to ensure you have the latest version. Allow these updates to download and install completely. Make sure your PS4 has enough available storage space for these files. Once all updates are applied, you can launch Call of Duty Vanguard directly from your PlayStation 4 home screen to begin playing. Upon launching the game, you'll want to customize your in-game settings for the best experience. Explore options for controls, audio, and display. Many players find a horizontal and vertical stick sensitivity between 5 and 8 to be a good starting point. Also, consider turning off both world and weapon motion blur for a clearer view during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.